prominent national civil rights attorney is now involved in the case of a man who died outside a downtown Milwaukee hotel.
43-year-old Devontae Mitchell died after being held down by 4 security guards Sunday, June 30th at the Hyatt Regency at MLK in Kilbourne.
12 News' Nick Bohr is there live tonight. Nick, attorney Ben Crump is known for representing the families of George Floyd and Breonna Taylor.
Both certainly well-known cases of people who died wrongfully at the hands of police. The case here at the hands of security guards here, not police. But Ben Crump says he's representing the victim's family here because he believes the guards used excessive force. The family of 43-year-old Devontae Mitchell Saturday letting go of dozens of balloons to symbolize his loss. But today they're making it clear to the men they believe are responsible for his death, they won't go away.
I can't even shed another tear. I done cried so much. It's just devastating, frustrating. And I just want justice for my son, and I want it now.
They brought the attorney who represented George Floyd's family to Milwaukee to help them.
After George Floyd, it's hard watching videos like this because you would think we have learned our lesson, America.
In video shot by a bystander June 30th, 4 people believed to be Hyatt security are seen holding Mitchell down as he calls for help.
Stay down! Please stop fighting! Please stay down! Stay down! This is what happens when you go into the ladies' room. This is what happens when a man goes in the...
Police said Mitchell caused a disturbance inside the hotel. Employees told witnesses he threatened the staff and entered the women's restroom. Crump wants all the hotel video released and police to immediately recommend charges. From day one, the Milwaukee police said they did not consider this to be a criminal investigation. What are your thoughts on that?
Maybe they didn't see the same video we saw. What video did they see? I'm like his mother, make it make sense. Because if it was Devontae who did that to that white officer who was hitting him, they would have charged Devontae. They would have investigated it as a criminal matter.
Nick, what are you hearing from police and the district attorney about potential charges?
Well, we know that police have sent some information to the DA's office as part of their ongoing investigation at this point, but it's still awaiting an official cause of death from the medical examiner. But several people here today suggested that the guards might be current officers, former Milwaukee police officers. However, police telling us that is not the case tonight. None of the 4 have ever worked for MPD. The names of these security guards have not yet been released.
All right, Nick Bohr reporting live outside the Hyatt Regency downtown. Thank you. You can watch today's news conference plus our past reports, including the cell phone video from a witness. You'll find it all on the 12 News app.